Imagine holding a phone that feels compact and comfortable in your hand, but still delivers the kind of power and battery life you normally expect from a much larger flagship. That's exactly what OnePlus seems to be aiming for with its upcoming OnePlus 15T. And now, for the first time, the company has actually shown the device publicly, giving fans an early look at what might become one of the most interesting compact flagships of the year. The OnePlus 15T recently appeared during a live stream where the company briefly showcased its design and highlighted some of the hardware features. Even though the reveal wasn't a full launch event, it gave us a surprisingly clear look at the phone and the direction OnePlus is taking with this model. Let's start with the design, because OnePlus is introducing some very distinctive color options this time. The OnePlus 15T will be available in 3 finishes: pure cocoa, relaxing matcha, and healing white chocolate. According to OnePlus, the healing white chocolate variant uses a special micro-arc oxidation process applied to both the metal frame and the rear panel. The goal of this process is to create a uniform white finish across the entire body, giving the device a very clean and refined appearance. The other 2 colors, pure cocoa and relaxing matcha, take a more traditional approach. They use AG frosted glass on the back, a finish that's become popular on flagship phones because it resists fingerprints while still maintaining a soft matte texture. Overall, the design language appears fairly minimal. The edges are smoothly rounded, which should make the phone comfortable to hold, and the camera module doesn't stick out dramatically. Instead, it sits relatively close to the back panel, giving the phone a flatter and more balanced look. OnePlus also emphasized ergonomics during the live stream. The OnePlus 15T measures about 71.82 millimeters in width, which places it firmly in the compact flagship category. For comparison, many modern phones are noticeably wider, which can make one-handed use a bit awkward. By keeping the width under control, OnePlus seems to be targeting users who prefer a device that's easier to grip and operate with one hand. The phone weighs around 194 grams, which is fairly reasonable for a flagship device. More importantly, OnePlus says the weight distribution has been carefully balanced. Durability is another area where the OnePlus 15T seems to be going all in. The device carries IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistance. As for availability, the OnePlus 15T is expected to officially launch in China later this month. After that, the device will likely make its way to global markets sometime afterwards, although exact dates haven't been confirmed yet. With a compact design, a surprisingly massive battery, fast charging, upgraded camera hardware, and a range of premium features, the OnePlus 15T is shaping up to be a very interesting addition to the flagship smartphone market. And if these early details are any indication, this might be one of the rare phones that actually manages to combine compact size with true flagship power. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.